Yes. May please, Your Worship. Here, my lord, I beg to mention item number 11, Your Worship. Hearing list. Today's, my lord, hearing method, my lord. Only agenda method for 2 weeks, my lord. I have already taken consent from the other side also.
On the prayer of Mr. M. Pukan, counsel for the petition, matter is adjourned for 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lordships? I beg to mention item number 10, 12, and 13 of the hearing list, ma'am. Hearing to this. And next week, ma'am. Anyway,
Nothing.
three remaining 3 matters.
Mr. Chaudhary is not appearing.
I am appearing, my lord, in this case. And next week, ma'am.
बीस तारीख में क्या मेटर फिक्स करेगा बीस तारीख में
এটা হিয়ারিং আছে হ্যাঁ বাকি দুটা হেরি আছে নর্মাল আছে
Mr. A. Moti, counsel for the petitioner, is suffering from throat infection. For which it is difficult for him to meet arguments today and spread for adjournment. This matter, for which Mr. Depang, counsel of the Lagos State Council. I'm going to accordingly.
Obliged.
Place this matter on 20/02/2020. That's
22nd, my lord.
11, 28, 28, 20. 10, 12, and 13.
Can it be on 22nd, my lord?
You want on 22nd?
Yes.
Okay, on 22nd.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 3. In this matter, Your Lordship, we have already taken consent from the other side. Here, the arguing counsel is having some personal difficulties, Your Lordship. So matter may be kindly listed out for 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, then as for the convenience of Your Lordship.
For this week only. Adjourn for a week. On the prayer of MSD was selected.
I'm obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, in this matter, the government advocate was asked to obtain instruction regarding the proceeding against the petitioner, my lord. Because the original IMDT order was against the petitioner, then appellate order was against the petitioner, my lord. They approached this honorable court remanded the matter back to the tribunal.
Yes, my lord, I have the instruction, but can it be fixed at 2 p.m., my lord? I will get the instruction. It's there.
Yes, Mr. Brown, we'll have it at 2.
Or maybe tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow is the motion. We'll have it today.
Yes.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Honor? My lord, last occasion, interim protection was granted on 19/1/2020
2024. My lord, according to this order, my lord, I appeared before the SP on the first day of this month, my lord.
Probably in this matter, we were supposed to produce the record, my lord.
Records was called for, my lord.
Do you have the record?
No, my lord, we could not get it today. Can it be fixed? Can it be fixed on Tuesday, my lord? We'll get it. We have sent the requirement, requisition, my lord.
From Borpeta,
Yes, ma'am.
list on 13.
My lord, can it be on 20, my lord?
No. Less than 13. Enabling Mr. Pine. Sending council home report. Place their 11 record. The council for next April, Borpeta. As directed earlier. On 19/01/2014.
Most of the.
Just a minute.
Yes.
Mr. Hussain, counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted. That in pursuance to the order dated 19/01/2024, the petitioner appeared before the Superintendent of Police Border, Borpeta, on which date?
First day of this month.
01/02/2020.
Most obliged.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, LCR has received a matter may fix for hearing, Lordship.
Start with.
Lordship, then after some time, I haven't gone through the case record. After some time, Lordship. Obliged.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, previously LCR was called for the two items, item number 5 and 6. And one LCR was not received, and today one LCR is received. And we have to go through the LCR, and we have to prepare with some cash loss also. So maybe I paid for one date, my lord, maybe fixed on next week.
You have already annexed all the documents. What is there to be seen in the records? It is only for our satisfaction we have called for the records.
My lord, it was previous opinion. So we also not properly, we need to check it properly, what is in the LCR. And we also need
The
to prepare
document
with.
which you have annexed to the writ petition is the same documents in the LCR. We wanted to have the documents verified. That is the purpose. There is no requirement of checking the LCR. These are your documents.
And we also need to prepare with some case loss, my lord.
What were we doing all this? When was notice issued? First date was listed in 15/11/2023. We are in February. Thereafter, the matter had come on two occasions. 10-1 and 11-1.
You have, your only ground is that in the earlier case, you are considered to be an Indian citizen, not a foreigner in fact.
Yes, my lord.
Now, in the another proceeding, you have been considered to be a foreigner. Right?
Yes, my lord.
That much we want to peruse. And you said it is bought by res judicata.
Means on red judicata, we need to.
What is
find-
there to res judicata?
Find
Your
some-
only ground of this res judicata because in the similar proceeding, you have been considered to be not a foreigner. And now in this case, you have been considered to be a foreigner. That is the ground.
Yes, my lord, on that, my senior instructed that we need some time to prepare with some
Because at
case
the time
laws.
of filing of the
My lord.
petition itself, you have said it's about by res judicata. So definitely while preparing this matter or preparing this petition, you have those decisions in your hand. There is nothing to find out in a new one.
I request you to kindly make a date.
Who is appearing in this matter, along with you?
Mr. S. Hawk.
Call him. In the meantime, you start reading the WS. Start reading the W. Let us see.
My lord, maybe fixed at 2 p.m.
Hmm?
Maybe fixed at 2 p.m. my lord.
Please come to page number 53.
My lord, my senior is at court number 22.
Come to page number 53.
Yes, my lord.
This is the order you have challenged, right? Anyway, before that, if you want to clarify yourself. Come to page number 24.
My lord.
Read that prayer.
Under the above facts and circumstance, it is most respectfully prayed that your lordship would be pleased to admit this writ petition, call for records, issue a rule calling upon the respondents to show cause as to why a writ of certiorari shall not be issued, setting aside and quashing the impugned order dated 26th June 2023 passed by the learned member Foreigners Tribunal number 2 Gwalpara in Miss Ray's case number 2 of 2023 in FT case number GFT in bracket 2 960 of 2022 right annexure 17 rejecting the petition of the petitioner on dropping or closing the proceeding on the ground of res judicata and double jeopardy, and kindly declare that the OP in the foreigner in the FT case number 1133/K/16 and GFT 960 of 2022 are one and same person, that is the petitioner, and thus the letter case by GFT in bracket 960 of 2022 is barred by res judicata and double jeopardy, and or alternatively, your lordship may kindly declare that any order or adverse order passed in the of the present case by GFT in bracket 960 of 2022 will not be executed or applicable against the present petitioner, and or causes being shown, if any, and after hearing the parties and on the perusal of records, be pleased to make the rule absolute, giving full and complete relief to the petitioner, and or pass any other order or directions as your lordship may deem fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case in the interest of justice. And pending disposal of writ petition, the proceeding of the FT case number GFT in bracket 2960/2022 pending before the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal number 2, Goalpara, may kindly be suspended or stayed in the interest of justice. My lord.
Now, come to page number 40. Four zero. You have 40, right?
Yes.
Read that judgment. You name the party who are the Union of India versus
Saf Khatun.
Saab. Now read that judgment.
The case against the respondent Saf Khatun, as appears from the record, is that the electoral registration officer, herein after called the ERO of 37 Goalpara East LAC, while considered the draft roll of Village Pofonga Part 1, published on 24/7/1997, for the purpose of revision in view of order from the Election Commission of India for an intensive revision of draft electoral roll, which would be published based on door-to-door enumeration, taking 1/1/97 to be qualifying date. The ERO declared that having no base on 1/1/97, the name of the respondent was entered in the draft roll and was in process of registration of name of respondent as citizen of India, for which the ERO, on having doubt as to the nationality or citizenship of respondent, directed for a verification by a local verification officer, in short called to be LVO, in accordance with the format Annexure A as provided by the rules under IMDT Act. The LVO during his verification could collect nothing, even fault particulars or of respondent. Not being satisfied with the report of LVO, the ERO referred the case to the then Superintendent of Police, Goalpara, to refer the case to the competent authority. The then Superintendent of Police, Goalpara, being the chairman of screening committee, referred the case with his comments based on report of ERO to the chairman, IMDT, Goalpara, for an opinion whether the person referred to is a doubtful illegal migrant. On abolition of IMDT, the foreigners tribunals were constituted for disposal of cases, and as such the cases taken up before me for disposal. Initiating the proceeding, a show cause notice with main ground was served on the respondent asking written statement. On service of notice, respondent appeared before us, filed her written statement, and contested the case. The case for the answering respondent, as appears from the written statement, is that first of all, the answering respondent denied to be an illegal migrant of any stream, rather claimed to be citizen of India by birth, as because her parent late Basiruddin Sheikh and Hayaton Nasa were resident of village Pup Deuldi under Bagbor PS, and their names were enrolled in the voter list of 1966 under 52 number Bagbor LAC. The respondent was born and brought up in the village Pup Deuldi under Bagbor PS and was given marriage with Mofizuddin, son of late Josimuddin of village Fofonga Part 1, and has been living there. The name of respondent was enrolled in the voter list of 1985, 1989, 1997, and in the year 1997, she was made to be the voter. Thus, the respondent claimed to be Indian national by birth and prayed to dismiss the case.
What is your name?
M. Islam.
Mr. Islam.
Yes.
No, complete that paragraph, then we'll get back. My brother will get back to you. Just complete that paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Point for decision.
No, before that, we have not completed that paragraph.
Eh,
Just G voter, does the respondent claim to be the Indian
Yeah,
national by
we have to
birth
complete
and
this.
pray to dismiss the case, right?
Dismiss the case, yes, my lord.
Now come to page number 55, 54,
54,
53.
my lord, 53.
See, you're aggrieved by this order at page 53, isn't it?
My lord.
You're aggrieved before us, challenging order at page 53,
Yes, my lord.
correct?
Yes, my lord.
In the proceedings, you had filed a petition that this proceeding is barred by res judicata,
Yes, my
and
lord.
that your application has been rejected.
Yes, my lord.
And by rejecting that, you are directed to file your written statement.
Yes, my lord.
You say that, no, res judica is applicable, and therefore that order should be set aside.
My lord.
We will see the legality of this order. We will not go to the on the opinion, because the opinion is yet to be rendered, whether you are a foreigner or not.
Yes,
You
my
are
lord.
saying that there was an earlier proceeding where there is an opinion declaring me as an Indian citizen. So
My lord.
therefore, this the next proceeding cannot be maintainable because of the doctrine of res judicata.
My lord.
And that petition has been rejected. You just come to that order and make your submission challenging that order.
May I take this?
Yes,
My
sir.
senior method.
Yeah, Lordship, in this order, I have made silence, Lordship. Here, basically, Lordship, the point, Lordship, raised by the learned tribunal, Lordship, is said that the earlier opinion, there is not a reasonable order, opinion, Lordship. This is the finding of the learned, the recent tribunal, Lordship, the order here,
No,
Lordship.
no, no.
Lordship, page, so far I am, understand.
Your
Page-
petition, why you are going to the legality? Opinion has yet to be rendered. The foreigners tribunal, which is taking care of this matter,
Yes, Lord.
is yet to render its opinion, whether you are a citizen or not.
Yes, Lordship.
Your petition has been rejected, that is not covered by res judicata.
Yes, Lord. The ground is given on that way, Lordship. Ground
That is
says.
not a ground.
not
To
a-
proceed or not
while
to
the
proceed, you have
tribunal
to
rejected
convince-
this
You
petition,
have to
Lordship.
convince that it's a res judicata.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, plus address on that.
Oh, yes, Lordship. No, as this Lordship, the while the petition is rejected, Lordship, the learned tribunal find that the earlier opinion is not an opinion. That's why his resolution applicable here, he says, Lordship. That is the finding of the page, Lordship. The relevant portion, page 55, Lordship.
See, you forget whatever has been this the
Oh, yes,
order.
sir.
You say that the proceedings cannot be maintainable because of doctrine of res judicata.
Yes,
Convince us that it's res judicata. That is all.
Yes, Lordship. The judiciary is applicable, Lordship, because the section, the Lordship, the section 11 of CBC says,
We are not on the principles of res judicata.
Yes,
We know it is applicable.
yes, Lordship.
Show us the fact that how is it applicable?
Yes,
Are you the
Lordship,
same
because-
person?
Yes, same person, Lordship.
Show us that.
Yes,
That
Lordship.
is
The
all.
earlier opinion, Lordship, is Lordship, only Lordship has seen the address, Lordship. The address person is different. My photograph is also there, Lordship. Page 40, Lordship, all of us is same, Lordship. Page 40.
Earlier proceeding, it was against whom? Who was the proceeding?
Lordship, here the Sab Khatun, Lordship.
Name,
Name is
father's
Sab.
name, husband's name.
Lordship, that is not reflected in the judgment, Lordship. That is in the perhaps in the address record, Lordship. That is not reflected in the judgment.
You know.
Yes,
You
yes,
know,
yes.
you-
Father's name is Mofizuddin, Lordship. Sorry, father's name Bosiruddin, Lordship. My husband's name is
What is your name? Muhammad Sab Khatun.
Sab Khatun. Yes, Lordship.
This number is 940.
And the vital part is
Just a minute.
Prior to custody. Connection.
Silence, my another ground of silence was there, Lordship. In the recent round, Lordship, no inquiry was done, Lordship. Whether the inquiry should have been done as per the
That
Muslim law
will
case.
come on the merits.
Yes, Lordship. So, Lordship,
There is no
the
opinion
spelling
that-
name of spelling may be some different because nobody has asked to me, Lordship. Yes.
That will take.
Peace, one minute.
Second to it. First one to his. 5 to 1, 6 to 8. 5 to 1 to 2013. 5 to 1 to 1. 5 here question record 5 to 1. Zip. What is the record? 5 to 2024. How record is it was also 551 has been received from the member for 751. Second. Your contention is that in FT 5512 of 2013,
Yes, Your Lordship.
you were declared to be an Indian citizen.
Yes.
And the entire allegation was dropped,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
And you say that since there is already an opinion in 5512 of 2013, a second proceeding cannot be initiated because it will be barred by the principles of res judicata. You just show us the facts that you are the same person of 5512 in this case.
Yes, Lordship. The actually same Lordship because name, address.
Let us see what is your name in your petition, present petition.
Yes, Lordship. My petition, Lordship. Yes.
In the present case, in this present FT case,
Notice, Lordship, notice I have Lordship. Page 45 is the notice, Lordship. Otherwise,
45.
page 45 is the notice, Lordship, recent notice, Lordship. Here says Shap Khatun. And husband names, wife of Mofis Ali, Lordship. Village Khobanga Park.
Just a minute. Page
45.
45.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. SAP, SAP.
Shap, Lordship. And village is also Khobanga Park, Lordship. Yes, again.
Cartoon. Wife of
Mofis. Mofis Ali, Lordship.
MOFIJ Ali. What is your father's name?
Father's name is Lordship, actually Bosiruddin, Lordship.
Bosiruddin.
Yes, Lordship. I have stated.
Where have you stated?
Lordship, I have given my family tree, Lordship. Page, in the petition, page 6, Lordship.
Writ petition page 6.
Yes, Lordship. All family tree is given, Lordship.
Okay.
Well, I have mentioned, it is mentionable that during the outlook of my grandparents, they became the parents of 2 sons. There is my father's and paternal uncle, Lordship. Namely, late Nasimuddin and late
Your father's name is Bosiruddin.
Bosiruddin, Lordship.
Okay. BASIR. Bosiruddin, father. Okay. And what is your address?
This is now Khobanga Part 1, Lordship. Khobanga Part 1, PS, again, Lordship, District Golpara. Village Khobanga Part 1.
Where is the notice page?
45.
4, 5. Village. Pofonga Part 1.
Part one.
In the district of Gwalpara.
Golpara.
And you say that earlier proceeding also was against you.
Yes, Lordship.
What was the earlier proceeding?
Absolute Lordship, then is. So here details address is not reflected in the opinion Lordship. That's why Lordship, I have to say the report Lordship. The opinion is here only the name is given Lordship.
No, your entire case is based on it is res judicata. How can you say that you have not seen the details?
Because I am since since the
How
earlier,
can
I
you
am.
say that you have not seen the details? You are basing your entire case that it is res judicata. You are the same person.
Yes,
What
yes.
was there? It was against you itself.
No, Lordship, record Lordship in the, what is the detail Lordship?
Mr. Counsel.
Yes, Lordship.
If you say that the earlier proceeding was against you,
Yes, Lordship.
where you have been declared as an Indian citizen, you have to know what you have stated.
The
in the
address is,
application.
address is village is same Lordship, village same village.
What was the name of your father? In
Father
the earlier case,
Bosiruddin Lordship, Bosiruddin.
earlier case,
Lordship, here also.
let us read the impugned order.
Yes, Lordship, page 41 is there, Lordship, page in 41 it is
Let
reflected.
us read the impugned order at page 53.
Yes, Lordship, recent order Lordship.
Yes, this is the order you have challenged, correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, please read.
May I give the two address Lordship, I am the skip, may skip.
No, read from the line, the instant petition has arisen after the first part. I have carefully perused the case record, the instant petition,
It's page 53 Lordship, or what?
page 53,
Yes, Lordship.
middle part, the instant petition.
Yes, Lordship, the instant petition has arisen from the case number SJFT, so and so and so.
This is the case where you had filed your petition taking res
Yes,
judicata?
recent on, yes,
Okay.
Lordship, recent on.
Yes.
The name and address in India and Bangladesh of the petitioner as case record is name says Muhammad Shab Khatun, wife of Mufiz Ali, reference number so and so, village Pabanga part 1. Yes,
Father's name,
Lordship.
father's name.
Yes, father's name is, oh yes, father's name is not mentioned. Father's name is let Soravali, says Lordship.
Soravali.
Yes, Lordship. This is my point, Lordship. Because nobody was asked to mention, no interrogation was done, Lordship. That's why, Lordship, they may give a wrong name, Lordship. Actually, notices, earlier notices were given to me, Lordship. In recent notice also given to me, Lordship. The address, Lordship, in notice, Lordship, the address was, father's name was not there, Lordship, in the notice, Lordship. The notice is given to me, Lordship.
But you had contested that case.
Yes, Lordship.
What did you say there? What is your father's
I am
name?
saying the Lordship, there no inquiry was done, Lordship. So inquiry was not done, Lordship, name say maybe written wrongly, Lordship. I am always saying that my father's name is Basiruddin, Lordship. I have never said that Soravali is my father's name. Nowhere I said.
Let us see. 1 moment.
In earlier opinions, I said told us my father's name is Basiruddin, Lordship. And Lordship, if the border branch said that I am the daughter of another person, Lordship, then notice should not given to me, Lordship. Second, doesn't people number bisa कैसा number भी bisa फोटो में बस number itu kan number the first of all number bisa project skill kita second number harus kita langsung
Let us see your petition.
Yes, Lordship, case 46, Lordship.
Take your seat. The decision of the state either we have to be taken in the ground, I don't know, first thing you read, when you ask him, you can expand.
Mr. Payam, what do you say?
My lord, the
See, we
tribunal.
are only on the legality of this order.
Yes.
We may just indicate to you that till now, no opinion has been rendered.
Yes, I understand.
So we are not required to go to the respective.
Yes, madam.
She may have a very good case
Yeah.
that the proceeding has already been decided, adjudicated, holding her to be an Indian citizen. And after Abdul Quddus, there is no point of argument, no
Yes,
scope.
yes,
It is a res judicata is applicable.
yes.
But the Ladakh tribunal has come by this impugned order that the preliminary, that the petition filed in the proceeding, that the proceeding is barred by res judicata has been negated.
Yes.
And that is the subject matter of challenge. We
Yes,
are
madam,
confining
and
our hearing only to that
That,
aspect.
to that aspect.
That aspect. We are not going, even for the sake, even for the cost of repetition, we are not going into the merits.
Merits, we are not going.
Merits of the case.
My lord, may kindly see page 53.
Yes.
The findings, what is the finding of the tribunal, my lord? The instant petition has been arising from the case number showing 294/20.
Yes, sir.
And the address in India, Bangladesh of the petitioner as per case record. This is the case record of the, my lord, instant petition, the present petition.
Correct.
That is of 944940.
Yes.
Name is Sab Khatun, Musammad Sab Khatun.
Hmm.
Wife name Mafis Ali. The reference number your lordship will find.
Wife
Reference.
of, not wife's name. Wife
Yes,
of.
wife of.
Wife's
Wife
name
of
will be
Mafis
different,
Ali.
husband's name.
Yes, wife of Mafis Ali, my lord.
Yes.
Reference case your lordship may kindly see. This is of 2/24/2008. So we have to remember this reference is earlier, my lord. This is first reference, my lord, 2008. 2/24/2008. The village Poponga, part 1, post PS Gwalpara. Father's name here, Sarhab Ali. Late Sarhab Ali. my lord.
Sohrab.
Yes. This is an
Sohrab.
invest. Yes, Sarhab Ali.
Sohrab.
Yes. Address in country origin, Amdanga, Phulpur, Mymensingh, country Bangladesh. Address in India, Poponga, part 1, PS Gwalpara, district Gwalpara, Assam. This is the full details of the, my lord, present.
Present proceeding.
Yes. Now the earlier proceeding. In fact, that was later proceeding. In fact,
Letter registered.
letter registered. Name and address of the petitioner written in the opinion in FT case number 55112G 2013. It was registered only 2013. madam.
Hmm.
Name is Sab Khatun. Here it is Sab Khatun. Here daughter is daughter of Basiruddin Sheikh. Father is totally different, my lord. And the husband name is Mofisuddin.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, difference. What are the difference? There is Sab Khatun, it may be, sometimes P may become B.
Hmm.
I accept it. But the husband name in the present proceeding is Mafiz Ali, Mafiz J Ali, Mafiz Ali. But in the, my lord, earlier proceeding, it was Mafiz Uddin.
Hmm.
And the father name in the present proceeding, late Sahrab Ali. And the earlier proceeding father name was Basiruddin Sheikh. So on what basis the tribunal can say these two are the same person, my lord, without going to the records, without filing, getting, my lord, evidence? So if they are the same person, if she is the different person, she will have to give evidence to that effect. Let them give evidence. If in evidence they could produce, they can bring that, yes, she is the son of Basiruddin Sheikh and wife of this Mafizuddin, then she will very well she will success, my lord. That fact has to be proved in the tribunal itself. Now in the preliminary stage, only on claiming that no, I'm not that person. See my name on the very face of the record, my lord, it is not the same person.
Before this order, was any evidence used? That stays are
No,
also-
no, 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 not yet come, my lord. This is only in WS
No,
stage
no, we are not talking about
in the present
evidence.
case.
No, we are not talking about the evidence after a WS.
No, no,
Evidence
no.
in the main FT proceeding.
Mm,
We are asking whether evidence in connection
Probably
with
there
this
was,
petition.
there was no evidence. Only a petition on the basis of petition. Now, another issue, my lord, here in the earlier proceeding, the residents of village Koponga Part 1. Now there is a permanent address given in the earlier proceeding, my lord. The permanent address is Poop Deudoli, PS Bagbar. In page 54, my lord, earlier proceeding, in the earlier proceeding, there is a
Oh.
permanent address.
Bagbor, I think, is in the district of
Barbeta
Barpeta.
district, Barbeta district. This is not here in the, my lord, present proceeding. This is the precise issue, my lord, so
And there is an extract of the earlier opinion of 5/11/2014.
yes, madam.
Just two paragraphs thereafter,
Yes,
it has also reiterated the respondents were enrolled under 52 number Bagbor LSC,
yes, yes.
1975, certified copy voter list of Poop Deoli.
Deudoli shows enrollment name of the month.
This is my parents' side, lordship. My parents were there, lordship.
This is
Parent.
paternal address, sir.
Yes, better like.
But Mofiz Ali, Mofizuddin.
Yes. Husband name is
Basiruddin
Mofiz Ali
and
Masud.
Sorab Ali.
Basiruddin Sheikh and Sorab Ali.
Sorab Ali.
These are the difference, my lord. On the basis of this, one cannot say these are the same parties. I got question.
Anything else?
That's all, my lord. So, no, from the record available before the tribunal, it could not be said, my lord, these both the parties are same parties. Only similarities in the name and village. Father name is different, husband name is different. In fact, name, my lord, if we
But we
see,
can just, we're just tentatively, we're just taking a
Yeah.
look at the elder brother. Even if we dismiss this petition, since he has raised the point of res judicata, and this has been decided, by this petition, and this decision is without any evidence,
Yes.
he is entitled to decide the petition. Because
My lord,
if there
in
is-
merit, she may appear and she may contest in the case. There is no issue.
That is it.
Yes,
In the WSG's point
yes,
can be taken,
Taken.
and if taken, it's up to them to prove it in accordance with law by
Yes.
cogent evidence.
There is
That much of,
no
because
no
they don't
evidence
want-
has.
and we would make a further observation that this order will not come into the way of adjudicating afresh in accordance with law,
Yes,
or not cause any influence.
influence. My lord, if they can prove,
Lordship, another problem would be there, Lordship. As a Lordship, I am saying that my father's name is written wrongly, Lordship. Now, if I will go to their Lordship, then where I'll get the documents of that wrong father, Lordship? My document is in the name of, my father's document is in the name of.
That we are
That
not
is-
adjudicating now, that you will state in a written statement.
But as Lordship, the whatever Lordship they have done, Lordship, name written Lordship, they have, this is a whimsical Lordship. But police never point to
That
me.
is the reason you
that
get
is-
a chance to file your written statement,
Yes.
adduce your
No,
evidence.
that is correct.
Adduce
But
your
in the
evidence.
Douglas Lordship, if I say my father's name is there, but
Adduce your
from the
evidence.
record Lordship, in
You
opinion, it will come.
You prove the earlier order,
Yes,
which was against, which you claim was against you, where you have been declared as an Indian citizen. You prove it in accordance with law, that this is the same person, this is me. How
yes,
can you proceed?
Lordship, same person, maybe I may prove
This
Lordship.
is there for your rescue, but
In
before
fact, there is
that,
a certificate also.
before that,
Yes, Lordship.
you have to prove the obligation, it's totally upon you, the burden is totally upon you to prove that this person against whom you are defending, and the person against whom the earlier opinion has been rendered is the same person.
Same person. Yes, Lordship, that can I do, Lordship.
That is the reason that you're required to file that issue, you can always take out in a written statement.
Lordship, that proceeding may be Lordship some different than what is the.
And
opinion.
we have already indicated that no observations made in this order would come or in the way or influence the learned tribunal in adjudicating the issue which you may raise in your written statement.
in any manner, it will not affect.
It is not our Lordship, on the point, Lordship, whether both the persons are same or Lordship, on the issue, Lordship, he may or she may, Lordship, use many evidence or
That
whatever.
will be one of your grounds of
That
defense.
may be, yes.
In fact, that may be your first ground of defense. Adduce evidence, take this point.
Others,
What is your name?
yes, sir. Others, Lordship, there is some judgment, Lordship, I am not ready to.
We are having,
Only mere
up to
body,
this, we are
yes,
having.
Yes, on merely adding some party or deleting some name, Lordship, that will be.
These are all points which will be available to you. Ask, okay, anyone? Heard Sri S. Hawk, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri J. Pine, learned standing counsel, Home Department, Sri Ali for the election commission. Anyone else?
That
P. Sharma for?
respond,
Don't say respondent, who? For state respondents. Full stop. Para. The instant writ petition has been preferred against an order dated 26/6/2023, passed by the learned Foreigners Tribunal 2, Gwalpara, in Miss Case number 1 of 2023, arising out of GFT within bracket 2 940/2022. Full stop. The aforesaid GFT case proceeding is against the petitioner pursuant to the notice pursuant to a notice
Yes, 45,
page
45.
pursuant to a notice dated let's see, 12/12/2002. 12/12/2022. Issued by the state tribunal. Full stop. Para. the projected case of the petitioner is that there was an earlier proceeding against the same petitioner, which was registered as FT case number. FT case number 5521. 5512 or 21?
One to Lordship.
You have written 21 in your page 48.
Sorry, Lordship.
55 12 oblique G oblique 2013, in which an opinion was rendered on 5/11/2014, holding the petitioner by the Foreigners Tribunal Golpara, holding the petitioner to be a citizen of India. Full stop. Basing upon the said opinion, comma, the petitioner had filed the aforesaid miscase number so and so on 22/12/2022 for with a prayer
Lordship.
to drop the proceedings in view of the earlier opinion rendered.
Yes.
Full stop. Para. The learned tribunal vide the impugned order dated 26/6/2023 has, however, rejected the said petition and has fixed the matter for submission of written statement. Full stop. Being aggrieved by the aforesaid order, comma, the instead petition has been filed. Full stop. Para. 3. Hawk, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the applicability of the doctrine of res judicata in an FT proceeding is no longer res integra in view of the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Abdul Quddus versus Union of India and others, reported in 2019, 663, 604. Full stop. He submits that there are materials to show that it is the same petitioner against whom the earlier proceeding, FT proceeding, was initiated and decided in her favor, and therefore the present proceeding was not maintainable at all. Full stop. The learned counsel has also submitted that certain observations have been made by the learned tribunal in the impugned order, which was not called for. Para. Per contra, comma, J. Payani, learned standing counsel, Home Department, has submitted that the petitioner has not been precluded in any manner of defending herself, and the present order has only rejected the preliminary objection for objection raised by the petitioner for dropping the proceedings by applicability of the doctrine of res judicata. The standing counsel submits that though there is no dispute to the proposition of applicability of the doctrine of res judicata in an FT proceedings, the facts and circumstances would have to meet the requirement for such application. which necessarily have to include the details, the name, details of the family members, including the name and address of the husband and the father. Full stop. He submits that there are prima facie materials to show that the proceeding in the earlier FT proceeding was a different person, and therefore the present order cannot be faulted with. Full stop. He has also indicated from the impugned order dated 26/6/2023 that though the present proceeding is pending, comma, the same was registered at an earlier point of time, namely in the year 2008, whereas FT case, whereas the FT case wherein the opinion was rendered and is relied upon by the petitioner was registered in the year 2013. Full stop. Para. The records of the FT case which were called for have been perused. Full stop. After perusal of the records, comma, though there are certain materials which would be relevant to adjudicate the issue, comma, we are of the opinion that the scope and opportunity to defend the case by the petitioner as the proceeding has not been closed or affected in any manner by the impugned order. Full stop. We are also of the opinion that since the present point of res judicata would require adducing of evidence, comma, while the petitioner is at liberty to file her written statement, comma, the present issue can be taken up as one of the issues, and the said issue can be and the petitioner would take all measures, all steps to prove the said issue by producing cogent evidence. Full stop. We are also of the view that taking into account the objective of the statute, comma, the present prayer of the petitioner to close the proceeding on the basis of a mere application without adducing any evidence may not be in sync with the said objective. Full stop. Para. In view of the aforesaid discussion, comma, the present petition is dismissed with, however, dismissed, full stop, however, comma, liberty is granted to the petitioner to file the written statement of defense within a period of 15 days. Within a period of 15 days, full stop, we clarify that such written statement is to be filed on or before on or before 23 on or before 27th of February 2024. Full stop. We further make it clear that the petitioner would be at liberty to take up the issue of applicability of res judicata and prove the same in accordance with law. Full stop. While adjudicating the said issue, comma, if taken, comma, the learned tribunal will not be influenced in any manner by the earlier order of rejection and would decide the same strictly in accordance with law. Yes,
Lordship, if it was time, so on another, 1 week time, maybe.
we have said 29th, we have said, isn't it? before 27. Today is what? 8th.
8, Lordship.
You get more than 2 weeks' time. 25th onward. On or before 29th. 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 The concerned records of the FT cases be returned for the.
Similar Lordship, here also the paid point is same Lordship.
Same point.
Same point Lordship, and there also the opinion is also, order is also same dated Lordship, same category.
Same opinion, same FT.
Same FT, same dated Lordship.
What I did.
The number is the different.
Number get up a little.
Number
Earlier
should
FT number to
here in fact, the address is also different.
Address is the.
We have not
Yes,
tested.
that
Yes.
particular
Anything
number.
object.
Yes, yes.
See, we don't want to cause prejudice either to him, even to you. So we have not said anything on merits.
On the same point.
All right, Lordship.
নহলে পিছত কি হ'ব পাৰে ৰেকৰ্ডটো সেনেকে পঠিয়াব লাগিব কিন্তু মোৰ তাত পঠিয়াই দিব মানে মাৰাৰ পিছত এবাৰ চাই ল'ম টেকনিকটো
Kindly pass it for the finding age in code number 1, that is renewal of the passport matter.
But we had filed this IM lot seeking regular and physical and telephonic access to the minor child between the pendency of this. But she has not been even allowed to.
Lordship, I for respondent number 7. Yes. We have filed a wakalarnama. We are the newly engaged counsels. We need 2 weeks time to file our reply. Don't have any problem, but
Yes, sir. Welfare of the child. Malad, at least within. My lord, that will suffice. My lord. My lord, at least telephonic also.
Well, I have a solution. Well, this writ petition was basically filed, inter alia praying for the respondent number 226 to trace out, rescue and produce the body of the 11 years minor daughter. She was produced. Now it is also known, Malad, that the girl is with the father, and Lordship is also allowing the petitioner to have telephonic call. Well, this writ petition, basically the purpose of this petition is over, Malad. That.
With due respect to my submission of my learned
Keeping
friend,
this petition pending will not serve any purpose, Malad.
Malad, if your lordship would see the manner and method in which the entire thing has happened, Malad, therefore, Malad, I'll. Malad,
That petition they have
Malad,
filed.
if your lordship would,
Criminal petition is pending.
Malad will kindly see, Malad, the kind of, Malad, I have also filed and reply to the, so what is happening?
The challenging the order of the CWC. Criminal petition is pending.
Malad,
That they have
my full submission. Malad, purpose is.
What is your purpose
Coming to the court is, Malad, to bring the custody of the. My Lord will kindly see, Malad. With due respect, my Lord will kindly. My Lord, if whatever your lordship would decide on this after hearing the matter, my Lord, I am ready to. My Lord, that was under the custody of the court, my Lord. My Lord will kindly consider, my Lord. My Lord. My Lord. No. My Lord. My Lord, the main issue is yet to be decided whether. My Lord, if your lordship would, my Lord, if your lordship hear the. My Lord,
after that, God is produced this court. We had an in-camera proceeding, and after that, you are consisting, you are insisting to give this matter of LS purpose. Do you know what you are advising?
My Lord. My Lord.
Kindly come to page 29.
My Lord, will kindly, before closing, my Lord. My Lord.
Yes,
my Lord, I have instructions, my Lord, because the respondent number 7 was not appeared. My Lord, my Lord will kindly consider, my Lord, if your lordship goes through, my Lord, that is what I am showing to your lordships, my Lord, how this, my Lord, entire. My Lord, that production was not in the realm of, my Lord, the prayer that. My Lord will kindly see. My Lord, my Lord, kindly consider, my Lord. Lord, I have instructions, my Lord. After the. My Lord will kindly see 2-3 documents I would like to place before your lordships, my Lord. My Lord will see, my Lord, the CGM courts grant an order for custody of the child, my Lord, on the FIR filed with the.
That is not the subject matter before us.
My Lord,
my lord, in a habeas corpus, your lordship may kindly, my lord, allow me to, my lord, make my arguments on the merits of this case, my lord. My lord, my lord, my lord, after, my lord, if, my lord, kindly consider my plea. My lord, if on that same very day, my lord, this matter could have been disposed of, my lord, had it been a, my lord will see the kind of state, my lord, we have, with due respect, my lord, we have made parties by name, my lord. There are allegations that have not been answered. And my lord, we have made, my lord will kindly see statements, my lord, my lord, kindly consider, my lord, what my instructions are, my lord, let me, my lord, just 2 minutes, my lord. My lord, after, no, Lord, I have blood. No, Lord, Lord. With great humility, Lord, with great humility, and Lord, based on the, my lord, with due respect, my lord, if, my lord, can I make one prayer, my lord? Well, afternoon, my lord, 1:30, or in the timing,
1:30 school
or in the evening, my lord, evening, maybe in the school.
Mr. A. Kashyap. PM.
My lord,
6:30.
of respondent number 7.
Arjun Kashyap.
Regular and uninterrupted physical and electronic access to the minor child. The I has been found in connection with WP 27 of 2023 instituted by the African Station in the date which has been filed under Article 256 of Constitution of India is for influence of the region various purpose for the minor of the party, the applicant and the for the sake of clarity the prayer within the repetition is expected here in your this book in the appropriate repetition and passed an order dated
8-9 something. 11-9, my lord.
Direct introduction of the time by the circle number 7. Was that they also on 1999 the child was produced and an in-camera in an in-camera the person appearance of the party that was distant that part of the opinion that the very purpose of filing an application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for issuance of the writ in the nature of habeas corpus has been served by production of kind commented by our father, who is the economic parent, there is no scope to further entertain the however, on the where there is the eye regarding the how we consider the where there is the eye, this court has put is of the opinion that telephonic access to the African mother is referred, taking into consideration the welfare of the minor child, which is of paramount importance. On this regard, specific
Yes, sir. Sunday, Saturday, Sunday will be better.
Gap would be important.
One on weekend and one.
on Tuesdays and Fridays is by between 6 to 7 p.m. 6 p.m. However, we can clear that there may be slight modification in the days or time, subject to convenience of the party. We are also verifying that since these observations are to be strictly followed as is concerned the welfare of the child. We further make it clear that the present order pertains to only California cases and no order has been passed on the prayer for physical access. The petition would however, applicant petition would however be able to read to the court, they have to pay for in case of any given. In case there is a change in the telephone number, this code on a particular specific query to on a specific query from must be to be given office applicant has submitted that the applicant is aware of the telephone number of the telephone number. However, we make it clear that in case there is any change in such telephone number, the same has been given to the applicant so that the telephonic access which is being allowed to the applicant can be done without.
My lord is closing the.
Noted. Hold on. Noted.
It was filed earlier, my lord. At that point of time, my lord.
Hold on, my lord.
Deeply blessed. Only thing that can it be effected from immediately, my lord.
I have for my lord, for release of the petitioner from the detention camp. 1 year, 19 days, my lord. He is in detention camp. The main case is that the impugn order is, my lord, page 44, my lord. Yes, my lord. Operative part is page 50, my lord. No. This is available. No.
My lord, my name is Yusuf Ali. Alias Yusuf Ali. Richab Ali. In some documents, it was written by the Election Commissioner Richab Ali. Yes, my lord. Muhammad Yusuf Ali. My lord, in 1985. Yes. That is, my lord, in the year of 1985, my lord, my age was 40. Yes. Yes, my lord. Yes. My lord, it is exact date of birth is not there, my lord. With due respect, my lord. Yes, that will be. Yes. These people are, my lord, these illiterate people, my lord. Yes, yes. Yes, let me do. Yes. My lord, actually, as yes. 66. Yes, it was not good. But my other family members' names are there. Yes. Mm. This was the wrong, that is the bone of contention, my lord. My. Yeah. Yes, Aditullah, Yusuf Ali, this spelling is wrong. This is the bone of contention. Yes. 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 Sai Simona. Hmm. Yes. 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 No, not my father, not my father name. My name was wrongly spelled out. Yes, my lord. Yes. Yes, my lord. Hmm. Yes, my lord. At Suvali. Spelling mistake. Ajitullah, in place of Ajitullah, it is Aji, it was written. But it was, my lord, name is wrong, father name is wrong, date of age is wrong. My lord, it is beyond the control of the petitioner, my lord. It is the election authority. Yes. 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 The next part, your lordship will come. My lord, in this next, my lord, 2005 name is correct, but father's name is triple A, double A, my lord. Not Sheikh Azatullah. Yes. Now, this time you are 45. Okay. Yes. Yes, yes, my lord, I have an explanation. Kindly have a look. Yes. The answering opposite party has submitted a certified copy of electoral roll in the year of 66 in the name of opposite party parents, namely Razatullah Sheikh, late Piyarullah, and Belaya Khatun, wife of Razatullah Sheikh, by Bhutan list number 2425 with house number so and so. Razatullah. Yes, Razatullah. Yes. Razatullah Sheikh. Sometimes in our community, my lord, with utmost respect, sometimes it is written title, sometimes it is not written. That is the issue. Yes. Yes, Razatullah. Yes. Adatullah. Well, everything is almost everything, every spelling is wrong. Every spelling is wrong, my lord. Now, do you have your own deposition? Yes, I have my own deposition. My lord, kindly have a look. Page 23. My lord, my 25, my name is Muhammad Yusuf Ali, son of late Asatullah Sheikh, aged about 72 years, presently residing at village Borbari PS Sipajar. My name is Yusuf Ali, but I received the notice as Yusuf Ali, son of late Asatullah, and contested the case. I produced my voter ID card by so-and-so, named as Exhibit 9, where my name appeared as Richab Ali, and my father's name appeared as Achatullah Sheikh. I produced voter list of 2005, Exhibit 6, where my name appears as Yusuf Ali, son of Asatullah Sheikh, aged about 60 years. I also produced voter list of 2015, where my name appeared as Yusuf Ali, son of Asatullah, aged about 63 years, right? Under 66 Sipadar LSE. Above names were same along with the case record. I do not know in which paper I produced my evidence in chief to my learned advocate. It is not a fact. It is not a fact that I produced the voter list of 60. I did not produce the voter list of 66, Exhibit 1, Exhibit 1997, Exhibit 2, and Exhibit 3. So my learned advocates are not my parents' documents, shall be documents and false and fabricated. I depose falsely. It is not a fact. It is not a fact that I was born at Bangladesh. I entered into India, Assam, along with my parents without my valid documents on or after 25/3/1971. Nothing was elicited as to he is a citizen of Bangladesh, nor he entered illegally. During the time of the cross-examination made by the public prosecutor. In the last occasion, my lord, this honorable court directed the petitioner to produce the linkage document, and linkage document also produced, my lord, through additional affidavits, which is a ration card. And the voter list of 89 also produced. Hazratullah Sheikh is his father, my lord. Yes. Sir, my lord, in paragraph number 3, I have stated, second line. At the same time, the petitioner, second part, at the same time, the petitioner also asserted that his father name was late Razatullah Sheikh, and his mother name is Belal Khan, and grandfather name is Piyar Mullah. My lord, Buddha list my 19. My lord, 85 Buddha list. This is the wrong distance. Then my lord, in 2022 also wrong, my lord. My lord, 2015 also, my lord, 2015, Asatullah Sheikh, in place of Aditullah, Asatullah there. 2000, my lord, in my lord, 2005 also, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my lord.
You say your father was brother.
Yes.
He is 60 years.
Hmm.
And this is the total list of the father.
Yes. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Yes. Page 29, 17, 1971. Other rule of this, is the father. Is absolutely no difference. Everything.
Yes.
So what is other rule of it?
Yes.
Now, you in the written statement, it says you are son of other rule.
Yes, my lord.
So first, what is we have?
Yes, my lord. Yes.
First time you come with the voter is in your.
Yes.
That is the voter is
85. Yes.
As for the Ali, you not get too much technically.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
But you are son of Ali.
That is that.
And your age was not age.
Yes.
The age of 18 to 40. Where is it? Where is that voter? After the students arrive, sometimes
My lord. Yes. Yes.
Your name is Ali.
Yes. Yes.
What is your father's name?
Azia. Yes.
What is your age? 33. Goes down. After 12 years, you become 33, and you were 40 years in 1985.
Yes.
That's also there. That would be backward.
Yes.
Then at page 35 to 45, you found the constitution of the father.
Yes.
You have made a statement.
Yes. Yes. In 2002 shifted.
But what's your name as the father? You has to be Ali.
Yes.
Somehow, Asatullah Sheikh.
Yes.
Yes. Your age becomes age 45.
Yes.
37, the father. Name is you has to be Ali. Your age is 53.
Yes.
And he came to the
Yes.
Page 29, 22, your age is 59. Name is you has to be Ali. Now, Asatullah age is name, which was into
Yes. That only then in the spelling name, father spelling name, and the age there's this discrepancy. Address is same, my lord. Village is same. Father's name is same. That is, yes, that is the discrepancy in the age, discrepancy in the name, this discrepancy. Yes. 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 My lord, my lord, this is not within the control of the petitioner. This is the election commission is issuing, my lord. My lord, it was Gaubura, by that point of time, I think it is in Gaubura and some other members are giving the names and collected it. The medicine, it is up to your lordship to decide, my lord. Nowadays, everything is going to be correct due to this electronically it is. But earlier days it was not there, my lord. In my additional affidavit, ration card name is correct, my lord. This is also part of the document, my lord. Yes, voter list of 89. Yes, Yusuf Ali, Usaf Ali, Saf Ali. Yeah. Age, my lord, 32. Yes. 32. That is the discrepancy, my lord. That is why before your lordship. That's it. But he is late, my lord. Already. My lord, it was not mentioned in the written statement. When it was not mentioned in the written statement. Yeah. My lord, my lord, only ration card document is correct, my lord, which was additionally filed, my lord, as per the direction of the honorable court, my lord. My lord, page, my lord, 59. Yusuf. YOU S of F. My lord, with the utmost respect, my lord, since the petitioner is an illiterate man, so whatever name help presumed by the person, he used to write, my lord. My lord, detailed statement it is Yusuf Ali, second party, as per the name of is concerned, my lord. This not going to help you. No, right? You know why it's not going to help you? My lord, considering the natural justice, your lordship, considering the natural, because these people are illiterate, daily laborer. My lord, it is session time 2010, 11, 2011, my lord. My lord, page 59, my lord. Yes, my lord. My lord, date of issue of the ration card is 10/12/2011. 2002, my lord. 2, my lord, my lord. 2011, my lord. But after shifting from Pagbo to Dorong district. Yeah. Mondia in Barpeta district, my lord. How can you village Mondia when we 2000 village Bazar? My lord, 2011. You're very confident to say that no, my name is James father, because I should pay 2000. My family. For the sake of your convenience, you know, 2011 I'm scared of it. You said your family member to take you wrong. My lord, my lord. Yes, here it is written in the written statement, paragraph number 3, that he has shifted in 2002. Now, in my lord, in this area, in 59, my lord, if you lordship kindly have a look, page 59, my lord, page 59. 60 they are marking. Baya Mondia. Baya Mondia, but that, my lord, there is no prejudice to anyone, my lord. There are so in Nagav, in one Nagav is there in Nagav district, another Nagav is in Borpeta district. So this that Mondia may be available there. My lord, nothing was rebutted by before the tribunal against the petitioner. No, my lord, this is nothing was in a, my lord, nothing was rebutted before the tribunal, my lord, when this evidence was produced. My lord. My lord, in respect only name and age, my lord. My lord, extremely sorry before your lordship. Not what stage, extremely sorry due to spelling of name, my lord. If had this man is illiterate, then no excuse will be allowed from this honorable court and from the counsel of the petitioner also. He's an illiterate man, that has to be considered out of natural justice. My lord, this is the case, my lord. I leave it to your lordship to decide, my lord, considering the fate of the petitioner, my lord, because he's daily laborer, my lord. Yes. Yes, my lord. Yes. Yes. My lord, this cannot be rectified. Yes. There is nothing to ask all the president to show that your name belongs to your father. You have this your father's name. And you have executed release of 1970 of that. You have negotiated anyway. My lord, I have, the petitioner has mentioned in paragraph 3. My lord, this deposition was written by someone else, not by the petitioner, my lord. Utmost respect, my lord. This is not by the petitioner, my lord. I am not shifting, my lord. Yes, I respectfully agree. This is not written by the petitioner. This is written by someone else. Well, this is not by the petitioner, nor his counsel. Not his counsel, my lord. My lord. Page, my lord. 25, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, I have seen. Yes. Cross examination. Cross-examination, my lord, nowadays from 2000, my lord, my lord, from 2002 onwards, after the CPC amendment, your lordship is very much well aware.
Is the cross-examination written by a deponent? This is a specific query.
Yes. No, not by the deponent. No, not my lord, I submitted before your lordship, not by the petitioner. Not, cannot try, that is the submission I placed before the lordship. No, cannot. That is why this was wrongly spelled out. That is why I am telling you.
What is the name of cross-examination?
My name was spelled out, nothing left. The other part is not there, my lord. Name was wrongly spelled. Other part,
Not to understand. You know.
my lord, here is human being, my lord. If I'm unable to came across, then it will be difficult, my lord. My submission before your lordship is that part is written by someone else.
My lord, nothing to say already. Your lordship has already pointed out. Only one thing your lordship will find. My lord, we may not go on this whether Yusuf Ali, whatever it may be. But only thing we need, my lord, whether this Yusuf Ali, he could prove that he is the son of this Rajatullah Sheikh of 1966 and 71. That much only. Because as per his own statement itself, he was 72 years in 2022. In 85, there is discrepancy. In 85, he said he was 40 years. So if he was 40 years, his name should have been there in 1966, 71, along with the parents, as a voter. And if he was 72 years in 2022, my lord, his name should have been there in 1977. The 77 voter list is very much there in the, my lord, exhibit. It is exhibited. 77. 77 is not exhibited. 66, 85 exhibited, 97 exhibited, 77 is not exhibited. Yes, 89 is also there. So my point is, yes, my point is, my lord, why his name is not there from 1970, at least from 1970 to 85, in between. Secondly, my lord, he has nowhere stated when did father died. That is the most important part. Yes. If father was alive in 1985, the father should have been there along with him in 1985 voter list. That could be the best evidence. That interestingly, that part is not there. So that shows, my lord, the petitioner is not the son of this Rajatullah Sheikh, whose name was there in 1966 and 70. And as I have yesterday, that I have submitted a judgment of this honorable court where it was said that mere picking up a particular documents, particular voter list, that person is my father, that will not do. It has to be proved by bringing materials as per law, man. Where is the materials to show that he is the son of this Rajatullah, whatever it may be, maybe Asatullah, Rajatullah, my lord? There is no evidence at all. Apart from all these discrepancies, the main thing is that there is no link. He has not, as per para 26 of the Sarvananda Sunwal 1. What they need? First of all, they need to bring evidence of his date of birth. There is no evidence to his date of birth or year of birth, whatever it may be. And they need to bring evidence of their place of birth. There is no evidence of his place of birth. Then only, if necessary, the evidence of the citizens of the father. And once his father is a citizen, he has to bring that link, my lord. He has to bring that link that I am the son of that person. Then the case will be proved. That much only. So apparently there is no case, my lord, in this case. The petitioner could not establish that he is the son of Rajatullah Sheikh, whose name was there in 1966 and 71.
My lord, may I submit, my lord? In reply to the submission made by the, my learned counsel, proposed learned counsel, and also as per the last order of the Honorable Court, to produce the linkage document. This petitioner has already produced the ration card as a piece of evidence for linkage of with his father. BPL card, I'm sorry, my lord, BPL card. So that part is linkage with his father is clear.
In fact, these documents cannot be looked into here this in under 226, madam, because it was not exhibited in the tribunal. But whatever, madam,
If anything is, then the authority can verify it from the authority.
that is not my duty.
By
My lord, secondly, my lord,
day it can be verified.
even though we accept it, this honorable court has said
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yeah. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
yes.
47, my lord.
This is additional evidence.
Additional, my lord. $57, my lord. Simana. Yes, my lord. Yes. My Saisimana is a my lord. Saisimana is as per this voter list is concerned in Borpeta district now. Earlier it was in Kamrup district. Yes, my lord. My lord, in some cases, what happened? People are migrated with utmost respect, my lord, without prejudice to anyone. Even in my case, I'm residing in Guwahati. My ration card is in my own village. I used to visit in my house. My lord, that is the different issue, my lord. What happened? This is 2011 ration card. It may be in his own native village. That may be. That may be, my lord. My lord, I leave it before your lordship to decide. Only name and spelling, the Supreme Court judgment is there, my lord. It can be considered. Only name and spelling.
Your lordship, closing, my lord, only one judgment of this honorable court, your lordship may note it down, my lord. This is 2017 4 GLR. 2017 4 GLR 295, my lord. Saru Sheikh, my lord. Yes, my lord. Saru Sheikh. SHEIKH. Whereas 16 will cover everything, my lord, all the aspect of the present case. There, my lord, with regard to for this ration card, whether it is admissible, that is there, my lord. With the age discrepancies, whether it can be admissible, it can be accepted or not. All these are there, my lord. So this should do enough for this case, my lord. And Aziz Mia, I have cited yesterday in para 14 of that Aziz Mia, that he has to prove by bringing some other materials, my lord. That is WPC 2370/2023. Yes, I have cited, my lord. Aziz Miat, which that is with regard to my claiming that my father is in 66 voter list. So I am the son or daughter of that person. Yes, madam. Aziz Miat. Para 14 of that. Yes, madam. Two three 7-0, madam, WPC. 2370 of 2023, madam. Order dated, madam. 9623. 0906. Aziz Miat. Para 14. That is. Yes, ma'am. This two will do.
Lordship, I have a small prayer, Lordship. Lordship, item number 7. Lordship, item number 7, Lordship. Your Lordship may kindly taken on 19th of February, Lordship, because of my daughter, Lordship, is suffering from fever and vomiting, Lordship. So I have to go home, Lordship.
It's only the placing of some instructions. Lordship may take it up at 2. Her presence may not be necessary. I'll place the instruction. Yes, Lordship.
Tomorrow, now, Lordship.
Lordship, yes. That is something. Now, the instructions which I received, I'm passing on a copy of this to my lord. There are 3 sets of instructions that has been received by me. One set. No, I made 3 copies. One, and it's just one. In fact, if your lordship will take up the letter dated 6 February 22 addressed to the additional chief secretary, it appears that the Home Ministry was not in the know of these things. And now immediately a paragraph 4. In view of the above, the state government of Assam is requested to urgently provide copy so and so, purportedly endorsed to the so and so to this ministry, and details of action taken by the state government against the foreign national. And there is another instruction on the top lordship. I have written by hand the date 5/2. This is from the passport. They are taking action to cancel the passport lordship at paragraph 3. And the bigger one, that is office memorandum dated 6th. I would just invite your lordship's attention to paragraph 4. So MHA says that lordship, police verification and passport lordship, it's a matter of the MEA. So they should take the necessary steps. But as regards the communication dated 5/2, lordship, revocation is already in process, lordship. Lordship, lordship. Yes, lordship. Lordship is correct. Yes, lordship. Yes, yes. That's the first thing they will get. Yes. Lordship. 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 What I would pray, implore before your lordship is, since this matter has come up before your lordship, this is one instance where we know what has happened. There may be others also. A small observation from your lordship saying that this has to be communicated immediately to the Home Ministry and the External Affairs so that it can be cancelled, lordship. Yes, yes, lordship. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, lordship. Agreed, lordship. Yes, it is. It is, lordship. It has to be dealt with very seriously, lordship. Yes, yes, lordship. Yes. No, I also, after reading this, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, lordship. Yes. Yes, the authorities were not prudent, Lordship. Yes. Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
This is okay, but this only justify that you are not properly informed. But when you went, the first passport was out, the second passport is a part of that.
Yes. No. He again applied in a Tatkal mode. Tatkal mode police verification is later on.
Because there are two types of.
So later on the adverse report came.
One after.
Yes. Yes, Lordship.
So here is a case. The operating the police verification. Yeah. When the police verification was made, it was found, it did not declare. Adverse report was forwarded to the government.
Then only they should have cancelled it.
Government issued so far.
In 22.
Over 6 January
22. Yes, Lordship. Yes. Yes, Lordship. They should have been more prudent, Lordship. I understand. No, simply getting a passport for us is very difficult, but here things are moving otherwise.
After police verification.
Yes. After. In fact, my own passport is after. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, Lordship.
Nowadays, I have prepared. If we are giving care, immediately,
Yes, yes, I understand, Lordship.
So the police are now inquiring to get there, they have all the individuals there. No. Whatever is there, it is online.
Lordship.
There is passport office.
Yes. Yes, Lordship. Here, Lordship, there has been some glitches on the passport office, Lordship.
Emma Devi.
Lordship can implement the MEA and file so that they can file a detailed response, Lordship. Let it come on affidavit. At least that two years period, Lordship, they are required to explain. Perhaps your Lordship may refer to the order dated 19-1. Yes, yes, yes. I have got a copy of your Lordship. It starts with case history. Lordship can have my copy. Secretary, Lordship. That will be Foreign Secretary. External Affairs Secretary is called Foreign Secretary. The Foreigner Division is MHA. Under the Home Ministry, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Not required, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. External. Lordship, I think it will be 8. 7 is. Oh. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, Lordship. Lordship will kindly indicate in the order, Lordship, that the show cause was issued on in 22. No. We'll file an affidavit to that effect. We'll file an affidavit to that effect. Since steps are now being taken, Lordship, that 2 years has to be explained. Uh, Last show cause, Lordship, 5422. Same paragraph, Lordship, paragraph 3.
Case was not open till this lordship. This case lordship. Earlier, when it was remanded lordship, an earlier order of 2003 passed by this honorable court lordship, that was also not intimated to the foreigners tribunal lordship. They were not aware about this order lordship. WBC 7093. Lordship.
Can it be on 22nd, Lordship? From 15 to 19, perhaps I am not available, Lord. Lordship, now she is fine. Some weakness is there, Lordship. But otherwise, she is fine now. Lordship, Lord. Yes.
May I please your lordship?
Lordship, 1985, Lordship, in case, and his first time appears, his name appears first time, Lordship. 1985, yes, Lordship, Exhibit I. All total 19 documents are exhibited. With me, there are 8 documents and rest with other documents with the in the LCR, Lordship. Petitioner's petitioner's father died before 1966, so his mother and alongside brothers named father Mirbox, Lordship. Father Mirbox. Abul Hussain brother, Lordship. DW2, Annex 3, 29 to 35 page number. Own brother. Aisa Khatun is mother, Lordship, alias Aima Khatun. Lordship, I'm saying. Yeah, only said brother, Lordship. Page number 29, DW2 statement, Lordship. Affidavit in chief. Para. Three, Lordship. That my father expired before 1966. The OP is my own brother. One shifting is there, Lordship. Earlier, his address was different, and after 1985, page number 46. Lordship. Vernacular is on 47. Voter Talika son, Boronsi Voter Talika 1985. Where it is a village name 156 Kasari Pet Pothon Kondo. Part 1. Before 1985, that is Kasari Pet Titio Kondo, Part 3. His name is appeared in the voter list of 2008 to 2016, Lordship, along with other family members, Lordship, having house number 80, constant. But name is somewhere written as Saheb Ali, and in the voter list of 1985, it is listed as Saher Ali Mondal. Little difference. In R and B. If Lordship go through the exhibited documents. Page number 37. He has exhibited Exhibit N, Kesa Patta, one revenue tax receipt, Exhibit O, name correction affidavit, Exhibit P, bank passbook, Exhibit Q, carbon site certificate, Exhibit R, elector photo ID, Exhibit S. These are not with me, Lordship. In the LCR, Lordship may find it. I have also annexed photo list of 1997, which is not exhibited before the Foreigners Tribunal. Page number 55. Only discrepancy in the name of the petitioner and his mother's in one place, mother's name, Lordship, Aisha Khatun, alias Aima. Sahib Ali Mandal, Lordship. Mandal and somewhere alias Sahib Ali, Lordship. In some hotel is Mandal is not written, Lordship. His brother deposed before the tribunal SDW2 and petitioner himself SDW1. His family members, his forefathers were staying before 1947. Link document, photo list of 1985. Yes, Lordship. And other documents are also there, but not with me, Lordship. Now, Panchayat certificate exhibit R. Electoral photo IDs. Whose photo ID I haven't gone through the LCR, Lordship, so I don't have that knowledge, Lordship. One Kesapata also is there, exhibit N. Residential certificate of GP, exhibit F, also there, Lordship. There's a notice or summon for title suit as exhibit E, Lordship. Lordship, there is no deed put against my name in any voter list, Lordship. And there's no such application is pending before my family member's name, Lordship. W2. Page number 31. Worship, I am reading the Assamese version. Para 1. মই এজন ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিক। মোৰ জন্ম আজিৰ পৰা অনুমান ৭৫ বছৰ আগতে ভয়াপুৰী থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত জিলা বঙাইগাঁও, পূৰ্বতে জিলা গোৱালপাৰা। Yes, Lordship. Assamese version. পূৰ্বতে জিলা গোৱালপাৰা, অসমৰ কাছাৰী পেটি তৃতীয় খণ্ড গাঁৱত। Para 2. মোৰ পিতৃৰ নাম মীৰবক্স মণ্ডল, মাতৃৰ নাম আইছা খাতুন। তেওঁলোক দুয়ো বৈধ ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিক আৰু স্বাধীনতাৰ আগৰে পৰাই ভাৰতত বসবাস কৰি আছে। Para 3. মোৰ পিতৃৰ 1964 চনৰ আগতে মৃত্যু হয়। এই গোচৰৰ প্ৰতিপক্ষ মোৰ নিজ ভাতৃ হয়। তেওঁ 1985 চনৰ মোৰ আৰু মাতৃৰ সৈতে ভোটাৰ তালিকাত সন্নিৱিষ্ট হয়। মানে নামটোৰ কথা কৈছে। মোৰ আৰু মাতৃৰ নাম 1964 চন আৰু 1970 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাত সন্নিৱিষ্ট হয়। মই বৰ্তমানো ভোটদান কৰি আছো। মই আৰু মোৰ ভাতৃ চাহেব আলী এই গোচৰৰ প্ৰতিপক্ষ কিছুমান মাটিৰ গোচৰত 1962 চনৰ নটিচ লাভ কৰিছে। গৌৰীপুৰ ৰাজ এষ্টেটৰ মাটি খাজানা পাতি আদায় দিছিলো। They have some land documents regarding গৌৰীপুৰ ৰাজ estate ownership. এই গোচৰৰ প্ৰতিপক্ষ কোনো বিদেশী নহয় বা বাংলাদেশী নাগৰিক নহয়। তেওঁ এজন বৈধ ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিক। সেয়ে প্ৰতিপক্ষক মই গোচৰৰ পৰা অব্যাহতি দানৰ প্ৰাৰ্থনা জনাইছো। মই নিম্নলিখিত নথিসমূহ এই গোচৰৰ প্ৰদৰ্শক হিচাপে দাখিল কৰিছো। প্ৰদৰ্শক G আৰু H মোৰ মাতৃৰ সৈতে থকা 1964 আৰু 1970 চনৰ ভোটাৰ লিষ্ট। প্ৰদৰ্শক C গৌৰীপুৰ ৰাজ এষ্টেটৰ ৰেভিনিউ ৰিচিপ্ট। প্ৰদৰ্শক D টেনেন্সি এক্টৰ গোচৰৰ নটিচ। প্ৰদৰ্শক E গোৱালপাৰা মুন্সিপ কোৰ্টৰ 22A 1962 গোচৰৰ নটিচ। প্ৰদৰ্শক A টাইটেল এক্সিকিউশ্যন নম্বৰ 813 1934 চনৰ নটিচ। প্ৰদৰ্শক B পিতৃৰ নামৰ ৰেজিষ্টাৰ্ড চেল ডেট। Para 8 1985 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাত মোৰ মাতৃ আৰু প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ নাম সন্নিৱিষ্ট হয়। প্ৰদৰ্শক I 1965 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকা। প্ৰদৰ্শক J মোৰ ভোটাৰ ID কাৰ্ড। That voter ID card is his brother's lordship. মই ঘোষণা কৰো যে এই হলফনামা 1 নম্বৰ দফাৰ পৰা 8 নম্বৰলৈ লিখা প্ৰতিটো উক্তি প্ৰদৰ্শক নথিৰ আধাৰিত আৰু সকলো উক্তি মোৰ জ্ঞান বিশ্বাস মতে শুদ্ধ আৰু সত্য। Page 35.
ক্ৰছ বিপৰীত পক্ষ মোৰ ভাই হয় তেওঁৰ বয়স 67 বছৰ 1985 চনত বিপৰীত পক্ষৰ নাম ভোটাৰ তালিকাত প্ৰথম উঠে মোৰ নাম 1966 চনতে ভোটাৰ তালিকাত উঠিছিল আমাৰ দেউতাৰ নাম ভোটাৰ তালিকাত নাই 1985 চনত ভোটাৰ তালিকাত মোৰ লগত মোৰ মা আৰু বিপৰীত পক্ষৰ নাম উল্লেখ আছে মোৰ লগত নাম থকা কেঁচা পত্তা এক্সিবিট মই আলি পিতা মীৰ বক্স কোন মই নাজানো সেই একেখন কেঁচা পত্তাত নাম থকা মুছম্মদ হাইবি খাতুন স্বামী জাহিৰ শেখ কোন মই নাজানো exhibit he's stating about Abul Hussein proceeding let me box মোৰ লগত here লছে মোৰ লগত নাম থকা কেঁচা পত্তা এক্সিবিট 4ত মই আলি পিতা মীৰ বক্স কোন মই নাজানো তেওঁ মই আলি কথা কৈছে লছে he is stating about মই আলি পিতা মীৰ বক্স son of মই আলি son of মীৰ বক্স who is মই আলি he has Exhibit 4ত মই আলি son of Mir Box. He has not knowledge about the মই আলি সেই একেখন কেঁচা পতাত নাম থকা মুছম্মদ হাইবি খাতুন স্বামী জাহিৰ শেখ কোন মই নাজানো he also has not that knowledge about মুছম্মদ হাইবি খাতুন wife of জাহিৰ শেখ He has no knowledge about these persons, Lordship. Regarding the Kasapata, Exhibit 4. But he is stating that he is the son of late Mir Box and brother of Prosody. No, and maybe and because there are 19 documents. Exhibit and yes, exhibit and is the Kasapata. Somebody else. Now, Moin, he has no knowledge about the Moin Ali son of Mirbox. Maybe lots of his stepbrother, but he doesn't want to. And no, Lord, I have not that. Maybe his stepbrother, Lordship, but we are not concerned about this. But my father's name is Mirbox. I am stating that my brother, Abul Hussain, brother of the proceeding. Then Lordship may see the exhibit voter ID card of the Abul Hussain. Exhibit S. What is stated there, Lordship? Son of whom? That will be crystal clear, Lordship. I have not that document. S. Is this person son of Mirbox? Whose document is this? Sahib. I have not that document, Lordship. So yes. Because I have not that, so Lordship, I couldn't say, Lordship. Whose document is that? Then Lordship may say, Annexure F, Gaon Sabha certificate. Gaon Sabha certificate. Lordship may wait for a second. Gaon Sabha certificate. Residential certificate of GP, exhibit F. Yes, it is exhibit A. No, not sure, only exhibited. Yes, Abul Hussain and mother. Yes, and his mother's name is Lordship, because his father title. Yes. Aisha Khatun has become Aima. As it is, Lordship, spelling mistake may be there, Lordship, because it is. I have not the. Yes. Because his,
You say the petitioner says his father expired prior to 1965.
66.
So in 1966 or in 1970, it could have been Ayesha Deva.
Sometimes it is not written, Lordship.
Now all are mailbox Mandal, Abdul Hussain Mandal, Tahir Ali Mandal, where is the phone Mandal will come?
Mandal, mailbox Mandal alias mailbox, Lordship. Title is sometimes written and sometimes not. I have not control over that, Lordship. With utmost respect, Lordship. Having same house number, Lordship. Throughout Brutalist 2008 to 2016. Sometimes his name written as Saheb Ali, sometimes Sahir Ali. Not it? Yes. His name.
That means instead of this party year was 1950.
19. But his name was not enlisted, Lordship. 56. Page number 46, Lordship. Abul Hussain, his brother's name, Aisha Bewa, mother's name, Sahir Ali Mandal petitioner, having same house number, but names are sometimes written as Lordship may see for serial number 457. Tomorrow. But I would rely on Yep.